Where did I learn how to trade from? I taught myself, but obviously I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube as well. There's a lot of videos that you can watch on YouTube that will teach you, but that's not gonna be. I mean, trading is a really, really long journey. It's not a journey um, that you can get there quickly. Or let's say, like, some people tell you that you can be trading after 6 months. You can learn to trade in 6 months or a year or 2 years. No, you can definitely learn a strategy. You can learn a strategy. You can learn money management. You can do that in 3 months, 6 months. You can do that. It's easy. I mean, I teach people how to trade. I have courses on my website, and those courses, I mean, they last 3 months. In 3 months, I can teach you everything about this strategy. But you can know everything about this strategy and still not be able to be profitable in trading because um, you know the most important element of a trader is the emotional side. That's the most important element, is the emotional side. That's the only thing you know um, that's gonna take you a while. And in order for you to kind of master the emotional side of trading, you have to go through periods of pain. When I'm talking about periods of pain, I'm talking about blowing accounts after account, and it's a hard lesson. That's the only thing that takes time to be a successful trader. If not learning how to trade or learning everything about trading, learning a strategy, money management, you can learn if you're dedicated enough. If in fact, I think there's a website, Baby Pips, that you can go over. Baby Pips, you can read about trading on Baby Pips in less than a week, and you can know everything there is to know about trading. But actually, trading is a totally different thing. So the emotional side is the only thing that is gonna take you a while.